Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. Today we're doing module 1, lesson 22. I can count objects to 8. We're going to do our practice sheet number 22 in your workbook, page 61, and page 62 on the back. So before we get started, let's do a little bit of practice with our counting objects to 8. So you can help me by remembering and thinking about what we talked about with counting objects to 4, 5, 6, and 7, how we counted those groups today when we do 8. I'm going to take out my pencil and do my number path or counting path as I go. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's my one strategy that we've done a lot of practice with. Then labeling, make an S, don't you wait, come back up to make an 8. This group of 8 objects scattered about, I counted with my finger and my pencil to make a pathway to the number 8. You guessed it, I have to show you that circular pattern again. And remember that strategy, what do? That's right, we have our line to show where we started, and we count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This time they were all colored orange. I counted to make sure I knew how many, and how many were there? 8 hearts. Do you see that, boys and girls? You do? Good. Okay. So also today, I want to show you, here's my whiteboard. You can practice this too. Take out your whiteboard and draw a circle. Looks like a big one in the middle of my board, a big circle. And let's add beads. So I wish we were in the classroom we could use real beads that I have here, but I'm going to draw some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you draw 8 beads on your circle. Make sure you know where you started. I could have put that this was where I was starting, a little line here, and then said, okay, 1 bead, 2 beads, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make an S, don't you wait, come back up to make an 8. You got it. All right. Let's do our counting path. Oh, Mrs. Osmer needs some shapes. Let's see here. Oh, I have some beans. Okay, how many are we going to count? What's our goal for today? Let's put out some beans. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now they're all scattered, and I'm not going to move them. I'm pretend that they're stuck in cement or they're glued down to my whiteboard. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to use my dry erase marker to do my counting path. Starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I still was able to make my counting path with my counting objects, which I normally, if it was on paper, it would be much easier to show with my counting path, which is what you'll have to do on the back of your paper today. We are going to write the number 8 in the boxes, always starting at that top first one, trace down, make the S, come back up, make the S, come back up, make the S, come back up, and then do out here, make an S, don't you wait, come back up to make an 8. You have them outside the box. Practice your 8s now, please. Oop, don't forget to trace. Give yourself a check, check, checkity check. You are going to have to do that number path down here to find a group of 8 happy faces in the picture. I'm going to color 8 of them and count as I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it says circle a different group of 8. So now I'm going to find 8 that are in here with using not just the ones that I connected. So I know that there are 5 over here and 3 more. That makes 8 this way. See how I did that? I looked for 5 and then 3 more. 5 and 3 makes 8. We're working on those strategies, finding our clusters within different groups or finding parts. Same for here. Draw a counting path with a line and then write the total. Draw a counting path. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, every time. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, but I forgot to circle a 5 group in each set. Here's a group of 5. Oh, I can see a cluster of 5 right here's a group of 5. Do you see that, boys and girls? Make sure you mark that too. And make sure you're writing the number 8 in the boxes, please. Color 8 circles in each of these. And you can practice drawing that line, and I will see that when we meet at math. All right, boys and girls, nice working hard. You did such a good job. I will see you soon.